Hi, this is Senator Bill Wielechowski. It's great to be back in Anchorage. This last session was important to Alaskans because of the issues we tackled. Growing our economy and creating jobs remain top priorities for me and the Senate Bipartisan Working Group, a group of Democratic and Republican senators working together. We Alaskans have found ourselves in an amazing position as one of the only states in the country with a surplus. Just a few years ago, we were almost broke, and some politicians even pushed for an income tax, a sales tax, and to raid the permanent fund. I've always said that as long as we followed our constitutional requirement to get the maximum benefit for our valuable oil and gas resources, there would be no need to tax hardworking Alaskans or take away their PFDs. Since we've started getting our fair share for our oil resources, we've grown our savings account to over $15 billion. In fact, we saved over $2 billion this year alone and paid off another $1 billion in debt. Because of our fiscal responsibility, we've been able to fund much needed improvements to our infrastructure. East Anchorage has long been on the short end of the stick when it comes to roads, schools, and parks. As a senator from Northeast Anchorage, working with Representatives Peterson and Gruenberg, we were able to secure tens of millions of dollars to help improve our roads, schools, parks, and community patrols. These state investments have created over 124,000 private sector jobs in just the last few years, and every dollar the state contributes to these local projects helps keep your property taxes down. I serve as the chair of the Senate State Affairs Committee, co-chair of the Joint Armed Services Committee, and vice chair of the Senate Resources Committees, areas where I was able to lead and affect change for Alaskans. I'm especially proud of the work I did for veterans this year. Senate Bill 136 gives tax credits to companies that hire veterans and keep them on for at least a year. It also allows for a veteran's driver's license, a license that reflects your veteran status so you don't have to carry your papers around with you. I also passed legislation honoring those Alaskans who sacrificed their lives for our freedoms. I'd love the opportunity to speak with you and hear your ideas. It's truly an honor to be your senator and to be able to fight for you and stand up for Northeast Anchorage.